uh, you're my son. Well, you know, with everything, that entails,
Uh-huh.
you know, feelings of, fondness and more, you know what I mean, don't you, boy?
No.
Ah, well, oh, that's a hell of a weird sound. I never made that before. You, family. You're not making this easy on me, boy. Okay. I love you no matter what you do. There. Phew. Let's go get something to eat.
I'm not just a big disappointment to you.
Disappointment? No, you make me proud. I've been disappointed by just about everything else in this town, but you? Not once. Damn it, you're my boy. You know better than that.